Hi, this is Jessa Panlilio, your senior property specialist at the Boytis Land, introducing our shop houses. If you are looking for a residential and commercial space in one, this unit is the best for you. Located near the entrance and town plaza. The first floor is for commercial use where you can have your business, while the upper two floors are for residential use. It has a lot area of 65 square meter and a floor area of 108 square meter. Upon turnover, the unit is fully finished and livable. This is the perfect time to invest and take advantage of the upcoming booming infrastructure's development near Ahoya, Pampanga. Invest in shop houses for as low as 30,000 pesos monthly. Don't miss the chance to own your dream home and business space. Send me a message now and I will be happy to assist you.